everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. Today I'm going to show you all how I tied the simple gele. It's really not difficult at all. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold the edges of the gele like this, because you don't want the edge to be rough. And the measurement for this gele tutorial is 50-50, so you have to make sure that the both hands of the gele are equal. Right now I'm just going to make about 4 pleats, and then make sure that I trace the pleats down on the right hand side and also on the left hand side of the mannequin. So if you're tying on someone, you need to make sure that you trace the pleats on the left hand side and also on the right hand side of the person's head. And you need to make sure that your pleats are well layered and that they are very neat. Like I said before, this particular tutorial, like, it's really easy. Just in case you're running out of time, this should be your go-to. Like, it's super easy and really beginners friendly. So right now I'm going to place one hand on top of the other hand. I'm just going to make the switch at the back like this, and then once that is done, I'm going to turn the mannequin over to the front again and then continue with the rest of my tying. And then right now, since I'm tying on the mannequin and it's quite slippery, I'm going to place one hand of the fabric in between my laps, just so that everything does not unravel and so that everything stays intact. You can do that, or you can pick one hand, twist it and place it on the mannequin, pin it on the mannequin while you go ahead to do whatever you want to do on the other hand of the gele. So right now I'm going to trace the pleats to make sure that everything is properly laid and to make sure that everything looks good. And then right now I'm going to pick one hand of the fabric like this and then twist and twist and twist. Take it over to the middle and pin it there. So make sure that everything is secured so that it doesn't fall off from the head of your model, your client, or your mannequin, as the case may be. So right now I'm just going to pin it to make sure that everything is secured and to make sure that everything looks good. So you can pin once or twice, depends on what works for you. Once you feel that the gele is secure, there is no need doing too much. Right now I'm going to move over to the other side of the gele again and then repeat the same process. I'm just going to pick that hand, twist it like this and place it on top the first hand that I initially made. So this is where the style comes into play, and we're not really going to do too much. So I'm going to place it like this and then twist the gele in opposite directions like this, the remaining hands of the gele like this. And then once that is done, I am going to just arrange the remaining hand of the fabric properly so that it's properly styled and so that it looks good. So that's what I'm going to do basically. So guys, I'll let you all to enjoy the rest of this video until it's necessary for me to come in again. guys, this is the style that I initially wanted to make. You can see that it's super easy and super beginner friendly. So right now I'm just going to arrange everything properly so that it looks good. Make sure that your gele is not too soft so that the style that you've created in front does not fall off. So I'm quickly going to show you all what the back of the gele should look like. So you can either open the back or you can close it, depends on what works for you. But for me, I'm going to close the back of my gele. I usually prefer it this way because I usually feel like it's neater. It just gives you this form of elegance. Yep. So I'm going to close the back of the gele and I'll use my pins to do this easily and effortlessly. So once that is done, I'm going to just turn the mannequin over to the front again. If you're seeing loose ends and places that are not firm, you can easily just secure by pinning and arranging your pleats properly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. I remain your girl Lizzie. Please do turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. If you've not watched my previous videos, please do that because it's super beginner friendly. It just teaches you how to tie gele, apply your makeup, and trust me guys, I have lots and lots of amazing stuff that you guys are going to love. Thank you all for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. Like I said, this is super beginner friendly, and in case you're running out of time, this particular one is your go-to. I love you guys so much and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.